comes around with you in a living room.
Welcome po dun sa birthday celebration ni husband or sa 70th birthday niya. Thank you for coming. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayong lahat.
With you, it only comes around once a year.
Happy po kayo na we are celebrating your 70th birthday.
Happy ako, masaya ako sir.
Cause it's all about you and everything that you do. We can do anything you like, anything you wanna do tonight, cause it's your birthday.
Sabi ko sa kanya talagang perfect husband. Kasi ano siya, naging good provider siya sa family.
We can pick out fast food, we can get drunk on
Kasi
cheap
po si Daddy is a good example of good husband, a good father, and a good friend in the community.
Anywhere you wanna go, as long as I can be with you. It only comes around once a year.
A long life, happiness, and keepsake and healthy lagi siya. Talagang lang masaya para everybody's happy.
All about you and everything that you do. We can do anything you like, anything you wanna do tonight, cause it's your birthday.
Laging magmahalan, sabi nga ng mga apo ko, laging I love you mama, love you, love you.
Cause it's all about you and everything that you do. We can do anything you like, anything you wanna do tonight, cause it's your birthday. So grateful for another day
Sana'y
to show how much you mean.
para sa akin, pinto. Bukas ang bahay namin sa lahat ng papa.
Stay humble at alam ko naman po na napakabait nyo at napakabuti mong tao, especially kay Mami, love na love.
Love you, friend.
Dahil clear no? Clear siya dun sa doktor mo nung last check-out. Kaya pwede kang magwalwal ngayon. Sige lang. Oo.
I just wanna celebrate, cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate.
I wish for event para sa Daddy Peter ko and for the rest of the Nandito family. More good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Daddy, at 70.
Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahaba at walang katapusang buhay at putkos na kaligayahan. Happy birthday ulit. Sana matupad ang iyong mga hangarin sa buhay. Happy birthday, hindi.
Ano siya, matibay. Lagi siyang nakaagapay.
At nung siya magiting pa ng maraming karaman. At lagi nagmamahalan.
I just wanna celebrate, cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Salamat din sa Diyos. At binigyan pa ulit ako ng sana maraming pang kaarawan. So, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat.
I just wanna celebrate, cause it's a good